Overwhelmed by workload? Let's take a few minutes to tap with me. Let's stop whatever you're doing and close your eyes for a moment and quickly become aware in the scale of 0 to 10. How intense is this workload? 0 being no problem or no load, and 10 being very high. So remember the number and start tapping. Tap on your karate chop and say, even though I have this overwhelming workload, so much work, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I really forgive myself. Even though I have this so much work to do, I completely accept myself, I love myself, and I allow myself to be more in control, calmer, and allow myself to be able to do this without feeling overwhelmed. Even though I have so much work to do today, and I'm feeling stressed, anxious, and a little bit frustrated, and even angry, I still completely love myself anyway. I accept myself, and I forgive myself the way I am. Because the way I am feeling is not who I am. It's because what I have to do, and perhaps some anxiety that is aligned to it. The anxiety that is making me to feel this way. So I let go of this anxiety and I allow to feel peaceful. Now tap under your eye. This workload, temple, this workload, under the nose, this workload, forehead, this workload, collarbone, I have to do so much work, armpit, I have to do so much work, top of the head, I have so much work to do, under the eye, so much work, temple, so much work, chin, so much work, under the eye, so much work, temple, so much work. Take a long deep breath. Breathe out. And this few tapping should already calm down your nervous system. The energy that was before, it should come down. And it hasn't. And if you still feel, you can go ahead and check in the scale of 0 to 10 where you are. And if the number is going, that's great. That's a great sign. And you can keep tapping a few more times. And after that, you should be able to work easily and not feel overwhelmed, even though you probably still have to do so much work, but you will not feel overwhelmed by that. Namaskar.